Oh, damn. Butters.
Can you just burp? You see what happens when you eat your food too fast, Ichabod? Did I not tell you this was... Did I not tell you this was gonna